Honda CRV radio systems have evolved significantly over the years, with each generation requiring different reset approaches based on the technology used. Modern CRV models from 2017 to 2025 feature advanced touchscreen infotainment systems with integrated controls and digital displays. Older CRV models, particularly those from 2012 and earlier, use traditional button-based radio systems with simpler displays and manual controls. There are three main types of radio resets, each serving a different purpose and requiring different procedures. A soft reset restarts the radio system without losing your saved settings, presets, or personal data. This is the gentlest option for minor glitches. A hard reset performs a complete factory reset, erasing all user data, settings, and returning the system to its original state. A code reset is required after battery disconnection and involves entering a security code to prevent unauthorized radio use. Radio resets are typically needed due to several common issues, including software glitches, battery-related problems, or failed system updates. Understanding these different reset types and their purposes helps you choose the right approach for your specific Honda CRV radio issue. Modern Honda CRV models from 2017 to 2025 with touchscreen systems have two main reset procedures. A soft reset handles minor glitch while preserving your settings, and a hard reset completely restores the system to factory defaults. For a soft reset, start by turning your ignition to the on position with the engine off. This powers the electrical system without starting the engine. Next, locate the power button on your touchscreen system and press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. You'll see the screen begin to shut down. Wait patiently for the system to completely shut down. This may take 30 to 60 seconds. The screen should go completely black. Finally, press the power button once more to restart the system. Allow 2 to 3 minutes for full initialization. This soft reset resolves most minor software glitches. For a hard reset that restores factory settings, start by accessing the Settings menu on your touchscreen. Look for a gear or settings icon. Navigate through the menu to find System Settings, then look for a reset option. The exact menu structure may vary slightly between model years. Select either Factory Reset or Restore Defaults. This option will erase all your personal settings, presets, and paired devices. Confirm your choice when prompted and wait patiently for the system to reboot. This process takes 3 to 5 minutes and should not be interrupted. Important reminder: always have your radio security code available before performing any reset. Some procedures may prompt for this anti-theft code to reactivate your system. Check your owner's manual or contact your Honda dealer if you don't have this code.